welcome back to the Lockdown Singsong, day 45. And it's a beautiful, sunny summer day. And I have a beautiful, sunny summer day song for you. Say that quick 5 times. Beautiful, sunny summer day song. And it was written by a man called Harry Dacre in 1892. And he was English, actually. And he went off to America with his bicycle. He immigrated, and he had to pay duty on his bicycle, and he was very upset about this and the amount of money he had to pay to bring a bicycle to the United States. So a friend of his said, well, just as well you hadn't a bicycle made for 2. So he thought that was a great line. So he wrote a song about it. And it's also inspired by a lassie called, what was her name? Daisy Grenville, who was one of the many mistresses of Edward VII. So, but it was a hit all over the world. And it's, as I said, it's a real jolly, happy, sunny Sunday song. Daisy Bell, or Bicycle Made for 2 sometimes. And I'd like to say thanks to everybody for tuning in yesterday, or nearly 8,000 for the extended version. Songs that just I have a hankering to sing myself, and that lesser known, I guess, to the populace out there. So thanks for sticking with me yesterday, and a big shout out to all the people around the world, like Tally in Vancouver, and Celeste in Seattle, and Art and Chris in Minneapolis, and John Caravel over in New Zealand. The list goes on. John M. Dooley in Davenport, how you doing? Bob Hafner, where are you, Bob? Anyway, good to know you're all here, and thanks for joining. So, nice, happy summer Sunday song. There is a flower within my heart, Daisy, Daisy, planted one day by Atlantis and died, planted by Daisy Bell. Whether she loves me or loves me not, sometimes it's hard to tell. Yet I am willing to share my lot with beautiful Daisy Bell. Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer, do. I'm half crazy, all for the love of you. It won't be a stylish marriage, I can't afford a carriage, but you look sweet on the seat of a bicycle made for 2. We will go tandem as man and wife, Daisy, Daisy, peddling our way down the road of life. I am my Daisy Bell. When the road is dark, we can both despise policemen and lamps as well. There are bright lights in those dancing eyes, my sweet little Daisy Bell. Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer, do. I'm half crazy, for the love of you. It won't be a stylish marriage, I can't afford a carriage, but you look sweet upon the seat of a bicycle made for 2. I will stand by you when we are old, Daisy, Daisy, you'll be the bell that I ring, you know, my sweet little yes, you look sweet. Have a seat, have a back seat, make for two. And the little treat, wait till you hear the original version or a couple of seconds of it, recorded in 1894 on a wax cylinder. Wait till you hear this. Come on, play. That's Edward M. Faber, 1894. And it's for all the couples whose weddings have been cancelled due to COVID and these lockdowns, and may live happily ever after from whichever point you get married. Till tomorrow, folks, stay safe and stay nice and warm in that sunshine, and we'll see you same time tomorrow. Bye now. Thank you.